Hey, it's Atif here, one of the SEO executives at Parliament. Today we are going to study the GeoSetter tool and how to geotag the images properly. So first of all, what you need to do is install the GeoSetter software. You can download it anywhere from Google. And then what we need to do is from these options, we need to locate to the folder where we have stored the images. And then what we need to do is just double click on the image. For example, this is the image. If I want to geotag this, I want to double click on this, and then it will show us the input fields over here for multiple things like the location, keywords, contact details, and others. So if for example it's an Canadian business, then what we will do is I will put like an idea Canada latitude and longitude over here, and then we can add also other details like email directions, and also the country name, country code, and its province, and also the city if its business is in specific city. And then also we can add categories and keywords over here. For example, I added SEO as a main category and technical SEO as a supplemental category, and over here we can add the secondary keywords as we can. And then in the contact details we can add our phone number, we can add our email address and the URL of that specific page, and then the address of our office, and then the other things. And also in the source and descriptions we can add the artist name, the source, the URL of that specific source, and then the copyright like things. So what we have to do is we have to fill almost all of the input fields, or at least all of the fields that we can, and then at the end we are going to click on OK, and that's it. The image is geotagged now properly. And there are a few things that we need to take care is, for example, the first thing is don't geotag every image randomly. I mean, only use this for images that actually relate to a location. And the second thing is the .web extension images don't support having the geotag data. So what we need to do is we can just write this on .jpg or the other extensions, but we can't geotag actually the .web extension images. So yeah, this type of small optimization mostly add up in our rankings and further stuff. So follow this